So this is a continuation of multiplying matrices, and I went ahead and wrote out exactly what numbers go where. AE multiplied together plus BG, and that's according to this. So we can always go like this. It's like AE plus BG. So make sure we multiply AE, and then we add BG. So 3 times -2 plus 0, -6. And then the next one, we got 2 by saying CE, so -1 times -2 plus 0 times 0, and that would be 2. Okay? Then the next one, if you look over here, AF plus BH. Oh, I should put 2 over here as our final answer. AF, so which one's A and which one's F? So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 times -1, -2. Okay, and that will give us 1. Then for our last one, we go CF, so CF, -1 times 1 is -1, plus 0 times -1 is 0. And there we have our final matrix right over here when we multiply R times S. Okay? All right. Now I also feel like I need to do another one on the other page. And I think I'm going to go ahead and do number 5 on page 122. And I don't have it written out, so again, page 122, number 5, we're going to find the product of KL. K equals -3, -1, 2, -2, and 2, 0. So it is a 2 by 3. And L equals 1, -2, four, 3, and 0, -1. First, let's make sure they can multiply. And remember, when we're checking matrices, we look for the column number. Right here is 3, the row number 3. So since these two inner numbers match up, they can be multiplied. And we should end up with a 2 by 2 matrix. So we should have a 2 by 2 as our final answer. Okay? So when multiplying these out, we go -3 times 1, our first one, -3 times 1 plus 2 times 4 plus 2 times 0. Okay, so it's kind of like, woo! So this goes across and this goes down with your multiplication. So we can put our final one down here. -3 times 1 is -3. I'll put it maybe over here. Can you see over there? Not sure you guys can see over there. So over here, I could go -3 plus 8 plus 0. So when we do all that, it's going to be a 5. Because again, we should end up with a 2 by 2. Okay? So next, we're going to go -1 times 1 plus -2 times 4 plus 0 times 0. So that will be -1 minus 8 plus 0. So that will be a -9. Okay? So now we want to figure out our other two elements there. When we multiply those out, we're going to go our top number, -3 times -2 plus 3 times 2 plus 2 times -1. Okay, so -3 times -2 is 6 plus 6 plus negative 2, I'm just going to put minus 2. 6 plus 6 is 12. Minus 2 would give me 10. Okay, now for our bottom one, and the last one, negative 1 times negative 2 plus negative 2 times 3 plus 0 times negative 1. And that would be 2, actually I should put over here, 2 plus negative 6 plus 0. I'm just going to put it here. I know it's going to go down here at the end. So 2 plus negative 6 is negative 4 plus 0. And there you have your final answer right down here. Is a matrix like that. So I know it's kind of confusing. Take it step by step. We'll start small and work up. You can do it, students. You rock.